little bench.
Yeah.
Just to sit down, huh?
Yeah, 2 benches.
I mean, you could lie down here, but
No.
this is more for rest.
No. You can put your sleeping mats. Nice body. Nice shelter.
I mean, if you have extremely bad weather, yeah, this looks
Oh.
like heaven.
Looks amazing, mate. How does it going, guys? Hello from lovely Snowdonia. We just came down from Carnet Lewewin, whatever the pronunciation it is, and we're going to Abber Falls. We've done it! We're just in front or above Abber Falls. So now we have to look where we're gonna set up our tent, just because we are still not sure. Let's go.
Because we have these.
Yeah, let's go.
So the rock slides are super safe. You already messed up your mammoth. I need to warm my scarpas in.
Yeah, it's nice on the edge. Here we go. We took the easiest way, not easiest, but the fastest way down the rock slide. I didn't film because I really need to, just from there, I really need to pay attention on the route I'm going. And We are just below Abber Falls. Here is Abber Falls, and there is another smaller waterfall which we are going to visit, and after that we will go straight up the hill and we will look. We found nice hill just next to the ocean, to the sea, and we just want to go and investigate. Oh, let me take a breath. Just to investigate for the next camp, because there it's gonna be amazing. To wake up with view over the ocean, it's gonna be brilliant for sure. So let me take you to Abber Falls. Follow me. Looks amazing, looks spectacular. Lovely. Yeah, looks amazing from below, even from above. From both ways looks amazing. Alright, let me take few shots and I'll see you in a bit. Guys,
okay, I'll put them. Let's just keep thinking.
Amazing view with nice winds, amazing atmosphere, nice
fruit,
music, nice fruits.
Starts smelling like alcohol.
They'll fermentate, huh? Just don't get drunk, mate.
Yeah, we'll see.
Aber something, yeah. Absolutely, definitely is not the correct pronunciation. So our plans failed a little bit. We was going to take a bus to the next village and from there another bus to Zipurut in Snowdon. But the next bus from this village, whatever the name it is, it's after 2 hours, so we will continue walking and yeah, and we'll take the bus from the next village. So let's go, Mr. Ropan, walking on the road adventure. Look at this, it's really like from the fairy tales. Lovely village, little village with 20 houses. This is literally what you can say, you went to the other side of the mountain. We went to the other side of the mountain, and this is it. This should be the signs, yeah, for the waterfalls, for the Abber waterfalls. We went to the other side of the mountain and now we have to go back. We will try our best to get to the car. Yeah, just here left, so we will avoid the.
He's probably
the
he's the cafe.
yeah, in library as well.
Huh? Check it out.
It doesn't look I don't know. No, I don't think they'll have. It's like ice cream shop and cafe. I don't think they'll have a Baileys. Oh, and Trabant at the back, mate. Trabant. Whoa, nice. They're so beautiful. Hello. Hoo-ha. Lovely.